Hi, it's Biddy Penny. Thanks for coming back and checking out my channel. This is a birds and butterflies card share. So all these cards are from my stash, and I just went through and picked out the birds and butterflies that I thought I would share with you today. So I think in all there's about 36, around 40 cards. Yeah, I'm not going to talk through the whole video, but I'll come in and out as we progress here. So a lot of these actually don't have the insides done, which I always complete now. But okay, just if you're up for it, watch, enjoy. If there's any of these cards that you would like for me to do a process video on, just let me know. Like, hey, the origami bird with the tool, I want to see how you did that. Then I will try to replicate it for you. All right, I hope you enjoy. So this little card was using a Stampin' Up set, and it was fun. A little kind of a gatefold with a belly band. One that I colored, alcohol inks. So you can see I do a little bit of everything in my card making. I really like construction and building a card. I like making a lot of cards, as you can see. I mean, I donate hundreds every year, and I still have all these left over. So I hope you enjoyed it, that you find something inspiring here that causes you to craft, and that you'll comment below. And I'm just really looking forward to engaging with the crafty community, which is why I have a YouTube channel, and you know, participating and having feedback and conversations with fellow creators. So I just look forward to forging that with all of you. Thanks again for watching and subscribing and liking my videos, because that really helps me. I have only a few subscribers, so the more that people do that, the more my videos will get out there, which would be great, because then I can have more conversations with other crafters. So the very last card, which is the next one coming up, is kind of fun. I use some of my junk journal techniques, and I used fabric and I sewed the journaling card on there, and that was added a nice texture. I'll have to try that again. All right, thanks so much, and I look forward to doing this again. Have a great day.